Hi guys, this is Jason.com and I'm here with the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. So the headline is they increased the size of the external screen. The Z Flip6 had a 3.4-inch screen. This one has a 4.1-inch panel and can show full screen applications including Netflix. That's one of the core features here. Now we have it here in black. It's also available in a beautiful pink corail, and there are more other versions here. Now, it's also interesting that the external screen, aside from being this big, also has narrow bezels. It has 1.25 millimeter thick bezels and up to 2600 nits of brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate. Going inside, the inner screen has increased as well, and I'm talking here about a panel which has a 6.9-inch diagonal compared to the predecessor 6.7-inch diagonal. It's a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have waterproofing, IP48, and the processor here is an Exynos 2500 instead of the Snapdragon 8 Elite of the Fold and the previous Exynos 2400. Okay, so aside from that, we have a 4300 mAh battery. That has increased, so we have a superior battery compared to the predecessor, up to 31 hours of video playback. I think it's an increase by around 300 mAh, which is actually not that bad. You can also do a variety of other things with it. You also have a personalized now bar. It's available on the screen. It tells you good night, good evening, things like that. You can see the calendar, to-do items, and more. Once again, Netflix is part of the package. You also have auto-curated wallpaper applications, and you also have novelties for the camera. I would say there aren't big jumps for the camera. So you have a 50 megapixel main camera with 2x optical-like zoom. It's not optical zoom, it's optical-like by digital cutting, and also 12 megapixel ultra-wide, while the front selfie camera is not a front, rather cut in the screen, is a 10 megapixel shooter. You can shoot 10-bit HDR videos, and you can also do flex cam stuff. Once again, you can put the phone like this and select this thing here, change the windows between themselves, do this, also do this. You can use a touchpad and then do this here. You should be able to, now you're using the cover screen to take selfies with the main camera like this, and you can even do gestures like this one here, or a thumbs up, or say cheese, in order to take the photo of yourself. Okay, so that's just one aspect of it. You can deactivate it from here, and these are some of the camera modes: Expert, RAW, there's Pro, Pro Video, Night, Food, Panorama, Slow-Mo, Hyperlapse, Portrait Video, and more. Another novelty has to do with AI, not only Gemini Live, you also have Circle to Search, and you also have something new here. So if you're going in the gallery and you're searching a photo of maybe, I don't know, yourself and your dog, you can press the AI and you can actually extract your dog and turn it into a standalone photo. Just extract the dog from the photo and apply cool effects to it, which is pretty cool if you're an animal lover. This is it. You can also turn it into a 3D cartoon. You can extract it, and now you can also copy paste it into notes directly. By the way, everything now with AI happens faster. I remember the last year on the Z Fold6 and Z Flip6. This is so cute. Look at this. Last year it took a minute or more to generate something with AI. Now it moves much faster when it comes to photos. So this is pretty much it. Exynos 2500, bigger battery, improved design, and a larger screen is definitely the appealing part here. So tell me in the comments if it's truly a reason to buy the Flip or not. That's it from us. Remember, there's also the Flip7 FE, which I'm going to test later.